Have you ever wondered how so many Indian women maintain long, thick, and shiny hair for years? It's not genetics alone. It's a centuries old practice rooted in Ayurvedic hair care. Today, I'll share Indian hair care secrets you can start using right away to promote stronger, longer, and healthier hair. No harsh chemicals needed. The foundation of Indian hair care. In Indian culture, hair care isn't just about beauty, it's about balance. Ayurveda teaches that a healthy scalp equals healthy hair. Most traditional Indian routines focus on nourishing the scalp, increasing circulation, and using natural oils and herbs that feed your follicles with nutrients. Instead of harsh shampoos or synthetic serums, Indian women have relied on herbal powders, oils, and massages to keep their hair thriving for centuries. These simple but powerful traditions are still used because they actually work. Key Ayurvedic ingredients. Let's look at the main Ayurvedic herbs behind Indian hair care. Number 1. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, Amla strengthens hair roots and helps reduce shedding. It's also known to prevent premature graying and boost shine. Number 2. Bhringraj, the king of herbs. This herb improves blood circulation to the scalp and is known for reversing hair thinning and promoting regrowth. Number 3. Brahmi. Brahmi helps cool the scalp, reduce stress, and prevent split ends. It's especially helpful for people dealing with breakage or dullness. Number 4. Neem. Neem fights dandruff and scalp irritation thanks to its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. Number 5. Hibiscus. Known as the flower of hair care in India, hibiscus nourishes the hair shaft, adds shine, and supports growth. These herbs are often used as powders, oils, or in hair masks, all designed to restore balance to your scalp and strengthen your strands naturally. The power of Indian hair. Oils. One of the most recognizable Indian traditions is oil massage, also known as Champi. Here's how it works. Warm oil, usually coconut, sesame, or castor oil, is massaged into the scalp in circular motions. This improves blood flow, helps nutrients reach the hair roots, and deeply conditions the hair shaft. Different oils are chosen based on hair needs. Coconut oil for deep moisture and shine, castor oil for faster hair growth and thickness, sesame oil for scalp nourishment and to reduce dryness. Massaging your scalp with oil 2 to 3 times a week and leaving it on overnight can make a noticeable difference in hair texture and strength. The Indian hair wash ritual. Instead of store-bought shampoos, traditional Indian routines use herbal cleansers like shikakai, rieta, soap nuts, and amla powder. These ingredients gently cleanse without stripping natural oils from your scalp. A typical routine involves applying warm oil the night before, washing with herbal powders mixed with water the next morning, following up with a natural conditioner like aloe vera gel or hibiscus paste. This method keeps the scalp balanced, removes buildup, and leaves the hair soft and manageable. Lifestyle and diet tips. Ayurveda teaches that external care must match internal nourishment. A diet rich in iron, omega-3 fats, protein, and vitamin E is key to strong hair. Include foods like lentils, leafy greens, nuts, ghee, and fruits in your diet. And don't forget hydration. Water supports hair health from within. So there you have it. Timeless Indian hair care secrets that can transform your routine and your results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more natural hair tips and comment below which Ayurvedic ingredient you'd like to try first. Amla, Bhringraj, or Brahmi.